Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on euro currency. Yesterday here we have got significant downside action, although it was really strong, but in general this was not a surprise to us because we have talked about this and discussed this possible action in details. Yesterday in the morning we warned about the possible escalation and said that actually it could trigger some classical demand for United States dollar when something is going on. Demand for United States dollar usually increasing, and that could make some pressure on euro currency in the moment. In fact, currently euro currency stands on the points that we have discussed yesterday. We talked about 10.50 area. This is confidence support on the 4 time frame chart, and here it's just 30% fib level. So now we need to see what will happen around this area. In general, situation stands so that chances on further downside continuation are significant, but this week hardly it will be very strong. We see daily result around 110 area. This is also previous lows, so as a potential target for current week we will see what the data on the payrolls report will be, but with some certainty we could say that probably 110 it will be the area where market could gravitate on this week. Hardly it will break it too strong to the downside due to the oversold area. So most probable as downside action will continue, that probably will become the nearest destination point. On the 4 time frame chart you could see everything by yourself. We said that our 222 easily could turn to the butterfly, and this really has happened. So first 127 extension of the butterfly has been completed. It's 110.50 area. If we take a look carefully in this action, we see two moments. First, downside action stands very strong, it's very fast, and it means that chances on downside continuation back to the 110 seems significant. So yes, we could get some pullback tactical response on this support area, but later chances on downside continuation exist. Second, market has formed bearish reversal swing here, the first downside swing after the sequence of the upside swings, and it means that here we should get more or less moderate pullback. This usually happens when the market forms the first downside reversal. On the hourly chart I would consider an area around 11.25, maybe 50% resistance on the whole downward action. Here we could speak about some double repo or something, but guys, I prefer to not consider double repos on the hourly charts because market tends very choppy. So if you will plot your moving average, you will see that you have 3 or maybe even 4 crossing of the moving average, which actually makes a bit tricky in identification of the double repo pattern. Currently I would just speak about possible pullback. Let's keep watching what will happen, what patterns will be formed around it. But yes, the trading plan has worked perfectly. We've got downside drop back to the XOP. Here we said on a minor pullback to consider short entries. So everything just was fine. Now, if you would like to take the short position in the current point, it makes sense to wait for a bounce and see what will happen. Taking long position, if you trade on the scalp in intraday charts, theoretically it is possible, but you need to wait for some clear pattern that could let you identify the areas where to hide the stop and where to take the position. Currently I do not see anything except maybe mine or gut people to buy here. This has been formed, but well, I prefer something a bit greater. So although it could work, but in general I prefer to see some more extended pattern to be formed before taking a long position here. For those who trade on the daily high time frames, we do not consider any longs because we have bearish context. We need the pullback to consider new short entry.